Good morning and welcome to the Disneyland Esplanade. We are heading in today to Tiana's Palace. So Tiana's Palace is the newest quick service restaurant that is now available in New Orleans Square. It took over the French market, so it's been rethemed and reimagined into Tiana's Palace. So they have New Orleans style food, there's authentic ingredients that they brought in, which I'll share in a little bit. But we're gonna go inside, I'm gonna show you the inside. Apparently it is absolutely stunning. I've seen little bits and pieces, but I'm excited to take you inside, show you around, try some of the foods, let you know what I think. I was able to do a media event for this prior to it opening, so I have tried a lot of the food, but I'm gonna try some more today and give you my thoughts. So let's head on inside Disneyland and check out Tiana's Palace. Okay, we have made it into New Orleans Square. This is the new Tiana's Palace. I've got my mobile order almost ready for pickup. I'm gonna take you inside and show you all the fun little details. So let's head inside. So they do still have the entertainment area here. So I do believe entertainment will be coming back in the future. So hopefully that happens soon, because it's nice to enjoy a meal and have a little live entertainment.
So this is the inside of Tiana's Palace. It is absolutely stunning. We're gonna head right over here. We're gonna see this lady. She is actually filling the house beignets with a lemon filling inside. So you can see her doing that right here. If you look up above, I love the details, how it looks like the night sky with the stars, and the lights are these beautiful flowers. Over here we have this really sweet picture of Tiana and her dad and these really sweet letters. And I love that they mentioned, they did research, a lot of research in New Orleans, and a lot of the New Orleans restaurants have these black and white checkered floors, so they wanted to make sure to have that in this restaurant. I love this little spot over here where they have the full menu. This little detail right over here I really like. So this says Firefly 5 plus Lou. This was a tribute to one of Walt's original animators who was in a jazz group named the Firehouse 5 plus 2.
Okay, so we do have, this is a quick service restaurant, so that's the line right there if you want to walk inside and order. And if you mobile order, you've got your pickup window right next to it. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go grab our mobile order. Thank you. All right, let's go try out some shrimp and grits. Get our silverware here. Look who's wandering around. We have Tiana. She's hanging out here at her restaurant. Hopefully she comes over and we get a closer view here. Look at her. She looks so beautiful. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Can we get a picture? Okay, so here's what we ordered. We got the shrimp and grits. We've got the house beignet and the cornbread. So I have heard great things about the cornbread. It's supposed to be very moist, really good. So we're gonna try that out. Over here, the house beignet. This actually has a lemon filling inside of it. It's very good, but it's very messy. We're gonna have another one of those here. And then this is really cool. So the shrimp and grits, these are cheesy grits and shrimp on top. The shrimp is actually imported from the Gulf area to make it more authentic to like the New Orleans style. So we're gonna dig into all this stuff here and I will let you know how it is. Okay, here's a quick review. Cornbread, super good, really moist, loved that. Shrimp and grits was super good as well. It's got a tiny kick to it, but I wouldn't call it spicy. This I gotta finish up. That was really good. And then the house beignet was super good as well. It comes with a lot of filling. It kind of like, it's a little bit messy, so you might wanna eat with a fork and a knife. I will say, so if you order mobile order, it comes in these to-go containers like this, whereas if you get in line to order, you're gonna get like real plates and stuff like that. The nice thing about this is it does come with little lids. So if you have little ones or you just wanna finish it later, you can just put the lids on and throw this and carry it around with you in your stroller or whatever, which makes it really nice. So that is my review on those 3 foods here.
All right, so that was Tiana's Palace, the new quick service restaurant. There are a lot of other great options in there. They have like a beef po' boy, which I've heard really great things about. There is a 7 Greens gumbo, which is actually a plant-based gumbo. It is super good. I actually have tried that one. I tried that, and I also tried the house gumbo, and I actually preferred the 7 Greens. I thought it was a lot more flavorful and just felt a little bit lighter. So if you're looking for like a lighter, maybe a little more healthier option, that would be a good one as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in my next video.